Hi everyone, me here Rupali Sharma from Sumantech Solutions. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is how to install the Python programming language. So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is how to install the Python programming language. So first of all we'll go to the Google and we'll write download Python. Suppose first of all we'll have to write the window. Suppose my window is 7, 10 or so on. Suppose my real window is 10. So I will write the download Python for window 10, and after that we'll write the configuration of the bits. Suppose my window bit is operating system bit is 64 bits. So I'll write here download Python for window 10 for 64 bits. So after that the Python will be downloaded, as we have to okay the setup. So here will be the setup and installing will be done. After we will click to the download. So here we will write click on the finish. So the Python will be installed and the dialog box of Python will be appeared on the screen. So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is how to install the Python programming language. So first of all go to the Google and type here that is install Python for, suppose we have to write the window that is 7, 10, 8 or any other. Suppose my window is 10, so I will write here install Python window for 10. After that according to the bit choose the bit format that is 64 bit. So after that this page has been created. So we'll go to the download. So we are having the maximum functions to download the Python. So we'll click on the download Python. So now from here we can download the Python, that is the version 3.9.5. So now click on the download. So it's been starting downloaded. So you can see here it has been downloaded. So now we will open the file from here and we'll start the installation process. Suppose it is written here that is install now and customize size. So we'll install now. The setup is being doing, that is setup process. So the Python that version is 3.9.5 for 64-bit operating system. So now the setup is being downloaded for the Python, that is a programming language according to our operating system. So the setup is being downloaded from the Google, that is Python, that is 3.9.5 version. So it has been downloaded. So now we'll click to the close and we'll open the Python from here.
and now we'll type here Python, and you can see that it has been installed. So it will be opened like this. So in this we can do our coding, that is for the Python programming language. So in this way you can install your Python programming language according to your operating system, according to the window and the operating system bits. So this is how to install the Python programming language.
So thanks for watching our session. Now we'll meet in our next session with some new ideas. Thank you.